Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to search for lists on your account on X Twitter, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click lists and now click search for lists. And here this you can search any list you want, and that's it. That's how to search for lists on your account on X Twitter, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.